Hello and welcome to how to grow nasturtiums from seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available from most gardening stores. On the reverse of the packet gives the growing times for your region. The second step is to fill a seed tray with compost. Fill it to within about 1 centimetre of the rim. Press down firmly to remove any air pockets. Step 3. Water the compost. We're doing this now because if you did it when the seeds were added, you may disturb them and wash them out of place. Step 4. Place the seeds on top of the compost. Step 5. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost. Press down firmly to remove any air pockets. Step 6. Add a label. It's important to do this if you're planting many things, as you could forget what you've planted at a later date. Step 7. Cover the seed tray with a thin plastic film and then keep it in a warm place, ideally about 20 degrees C. Step 8. The seeds will begin to germinate. Keep them warm and keep them well watered. Step 9. When the plants have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them from the seed tray into their own pots. Before transplanting them, give the plants a good watering. Fill a plant pot with compost and then use your thumb to make a small hole in the centre of the compost. Carefully remove the plants from the seed tray. I use a teaspoon to do this, and then place them in the centre of the plant pot. Now top up the pot with compost and gently press down to secure the plant. Finally, water the plant to bed it into place. When the danger of any frosts has passed, it's time to plant the plants outside into their final growing position. First, give them a good watering. Dig a small hole in your soil. And now carefully remove the plant from the pot. Place the roots into the hole and then push the soil around the root to make it secure and firm. Use a tape measure to make sure that you plant the next plant 45 centimeters away from the first one. Finally, although not shown here, give the plants a good watering to soak them in. Step 11. Within a few weeks, flowers will begin to appear. Keep deadheading them to prolong flowering throughout the growing season. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.